This mazurka doesn't dance lightly, it walks with weight. There's resistance in every phrase, as if each step carries something unspoken. The opening isn't loud, but it's loaded with yet hidden emotions. Keep the tone grounded, the sections speaking to each other, and let the structure until the middle part speak through tension and weird pleasures. Use rubato to show emotional weight. Not to stretch the form, but to let out these emotions and stories one by one. Let each phrase resist the beat a little. It's like someone walking forward while looking back. The middle part offers a brief shift, more folk music style dancing, more flow, but it's not carefree. Keep the mood connected. It's the same person, just dancing a different but connected dance. The return of the main theme isn't just a repeat, it's a statement. Play it like someone returning home after an emotional journey. Same steps, different weight and intention. Now it makes sense and offers the reason for the opening bars. This mazurka walks with purpose. Not flashy, not fragile. It carries something deeper, the kind of strength that doesn't need to shout. It's difficult mazurka to master, but if it's presented as a complete cycle of the intended mood, it's indescribably intimate and touching. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and press the bell button to stay up to date. See you soon, and have an amazing day.